today we'll talk about how can you add work and education on your Waplog app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here on this sign down here, just click on it. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do, so you just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do next, you just go down here, you come here to work and education here. Here can you add your work and here your education. So that's all you have to do. I wish know you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.